I've had a few questions about adjusting the throttle cable on the Polaris sleds, particularly in this case because we're working on installing the Munster finger throttle. So if you look right here, you'll find a little more slack in this than you want to begin. So I'm just going to walk you through how to adjust the throttle cable here. So I've taken the air box off to make it easier to access here. That's not required, but it's easier to see in this case. So when you pull on the throttle cable, you can kind of see what's going on down here. It's got this boot over the top of it. And so you just pull that boot back all the way back to here. And what you've got is you've got this nut right here, and then you've got this larger piece. And that body, as you adjust that, it changes the length of the throttle cable up here. So that's what we'll do next. Take a 10 millimeter, just a crescent wrench here, and you can break that loose like that. And then from there, we simply this to make it tighter. So if you watch as I twist this in this direction, you notice here that this is getting tight. So right there, maybe a little bit further. We're really pretty good. And once that's done, just make sure that down here, you this lock nut up, make sure that gets tight, and then pull the boot back over the top. So I'm gonna 10 millimeter tighten that up, and then you should be good to go with the throttle cable.